For question number 2, we're going to use the same formula. So I have f of x is 3 to the x. So for the average rate of change over the interval from -2 to -1, and in fact, I'm going to look at the graph of this. I know that 3 to the x is an exponential function. So if I'm going from the point where x is -2 to x is -1, basically, I'm finding the change in y, right, f of -1 minus f of -2 over the change in x, -1 minus -2. And that's the slope of this line joining those 2 points. So it's pretty small. So let's see, f of -1 I know is going to be 1/3. F of -2 is 1/9. You should know this. This becomes -1 plus 2, so that's 1. Let's multiply by 1 in the form of 9 over 9. So that gives me 3 minus 1, so that is just going to give me a 2. I'm sorry, 2/9. 2/9. That was seeming a little bit too big. So 2/9 seems a little bit better. The average rate of change between 0 and 1 is going to be the slope of roughly that line. So it's going to be a little bit bigger. So I need f of 1 minus f of 0 over 1 minus 0, and f of 1 is 3, f of 0 is 1 over 1, so that's going to give me a slope of 2 over 1. And when I go to this is going to be huge, so I know I'm going to have f of 11 minus f of 10 over 11 minus 1, which is 3 to the 11th minus 3 to the 10th, all over 1. I'm going to factor out a 3 to the 10th, and that's going to leave me with 3 minus 1 over 1. So basically, this is 2 times 3 to the 10th, which is a really big number.